Amazon has massive goals when it comes to their shipping times. Recently, they made massive efforts to take over 10 million products from 2-day shipping to 1-day shipping. So you better believe that when it comes to fulfilled by merchant shipping standards, they're gonna be pushing them to get their shipping times much faster. So that's what this video is gonna be about, the new laws that Amazon is putting into place when it comes to FBM shipping times. And basically, they want their fulfilled by merchants to guarantee a 2-day shipping time frame. So if you're an Amazon seller, stick around watching this video because I'm gonna fill you in on some good information. Click that thumbs up button, turn it blue, and let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so before we jump into it, let me tell you who I am. My name is Ian Smith and I run an Amazon marketing agency, and we specialize in running Facebook ads and building messenger bots for a lot of Amazon sellers. So if you're an Amazon seller that wants to run Facebook ads and build messenger bots to scale your business, then feel free to book a free consulting call with me by heading to evolvemedia.agency. All right, so Amazon's main goal is to offer more Prime products to their customers. They want to get more products in that 2-day shipping time frame. And a lot of the FBM merchants out there are just not able to do that. And when they try to say that they can do it, a lot of them are falling short. So there's SFP and then there's FBM. SFP stands for Seller Fulfilled Prime, which is basically any fulfilled by merchant person being able to meet those 2-day shipping timeframes that qualifies a Prime product. And obviously, you know as a seller that when you have that Prime badge on your product, then you're gonna sell more because customers want to buy products that have a faster time frame. I am definitely one of those customers where I specifically look for products on Amazon that have a faster shipping time because I'm impatient. I want my product now. If Amazon could offer shipping times to be like instantaneous or like drone dropovers or like 1 hour shipping times, man, they would be all over that. And one day they may just be there. But anyway, SFP sellers are FBM sellers that are that designate inventory as Prime eligible because they can ship so fast. I don't really know what they're doing or how they're doing shipping so fast, because if you're in Florida and you're trying to ship over to California, I mean, you better have multiple fulfillment centers across the US if you're trying to do fulfilled by merchant and still be within those Prime shipping times. Me personally, I would just recommend to you, just go with FBA, okay? It's way better shipping rates. Yes, their FBA fees are there, but what I've heard from our Amazon seller clients is that the fees are very hard to match. Like going with a third-party fulfillment center, they're not able to match Amazon's insane pricing. And you know that Amazon is only gonna get better pricing as they roll out more robots and as they just make their whole shipping process way better. But anyway, if you pretty much can't do that and you have to be FBM, then obviously you have to be FBM. And I would definitely recommend though trying to be Prime if you're gonna be fulfilled by merchant. So obviously the keys to being FBM is that you don't have to pay the FBA fees, but if you want that Prime badge, you need to make those Prime eligible products available nationwide. And the hardest part is you must support Saturday pickup and delivery. A lot of these FBMs, they are not doing weekends. They don't work weekends. They want their weekends to relax and hang out with their family. Well, you ain't no time for family when it comes to Amazon. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, you know, Amazon tries to push people and they're trying to push themselves. I mean, they're killing it. And they're the #1 e-commerce website out there. And there's a reason why they are at the top. And they're trying to just push their sellers, their FBM sellers, to, you know, pick up the time frame. Be better, okay? Just be better. Amazon started talking about these changes back in 2019, but they haven't really made much progress. It's kind of like herding cat. It's kind of hard. Okay, so what they're saying is that fewer than 16% of SFP, seller fulfilled Prime people, orders, less than 16% actually met the 2-day Prime delivery promise that customers were expecting, and it's a large part because many sellers don't operate on the weekends. Amazon sets up dedicated support teams to help sellers prepare. So they're trying to make this possible for their sellers. They're gonna be implementing this in a major way February 2021, so they're really trying to make it a lot easier for their merchants. So you have time, but definitely start looking into this. There is a waiting list that you can join, and you can start to take advantage of what Amazon offers. So this is the website that you can head to. I'm gonna link this down in the description below. Basically, it is sell.amazon.com/programs/seller-fulfilled. I'll put the link in the bottom. So basically, this is where you can go to join the waitlist and try to get yourself in gear for being a seller fulfilled Prime business. So first, I guess, decide if SFP is best for you, weigh the pros and cons. Again, I would just recommend going FBA if at all possible. That's all I really had for you for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Click that thumbs up button if you got value. If you want to book a free consulting call with me, head over to evolvemedia.agency, and then you'll see all the different services that we offer on that landing page. There's buttons all over the page where you can click to go book a call on my calendar, and we can talk about how we can set up messenger bots for you to help you rank better, help you launch new products with rebate strategies, help you get more reviews by targeting your Amazon customers with Facebook ads. We do a whole lot of crazy stuff for our Amazon seller clients. Man, I can't speak. I can't get the words right. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.